Do you have any ideas for extracting only the first pages of multiple PDF files?
There are numerous online PDF extractors available, but they all have limitations. So let us build one.
That sounds great, but how?
First, I will download and install Python from Microsoft Store. PyPDF2 package also needs to be installed. We need two folders, one to keep all PDF files and another to save the merged PDF file. Then we'll set up this Python code.
Subscribe now so you'll never miss a post.
That's all. When you run this code, it will extract only the first pages of all PDF files, combine them into a single file, and save it as a PDF in the target folder.